Hello and welcome to my channel. We're having absolutely amazing day. It's almost feel like summer, you know. Sometimes, I'm waiting for a sun so much that I'm thinking that I'm solar powered or something. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, so many bikes today. Yeah, so what I was saying, yes, sometimes I feel like I'm solar powered. I need sun to live. I mean, to live maybe not, but to live happy, I absolutely do. So yeah, I just coming back from my favorite place. I like to go for a coffee or something similar. It's in Snowland in Kent, Costa. Yeah, I decided to make a video and kind of POV. Finally, it's a perfect day for it. We have about 25 degrees, which is absolutely amazing. Sun is shining, so I can't imagine better day for this. I hope my microphone is gonna be able to deal with the noises I'm about to make. Oh, I love it. Oops, sorry. So yeah, what I was saying. Oh, just want to share something with you. I finally bought my ticket for ABR festival. I almost didn't go because my main trip is on the 2nd of July, and ABR is just a couple days before that. But some friends convinced me to, and the people I met last year asking me if I'm coming. So I was like, okay, well, if you have to go, you have to go. That's it. So I'm going, and I'm really happy with that. I'm sure it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be at least 10 of us, so it's gonna be good time. Yeah, we'll see how it's gonna go this year. I'm sure I'm gonna make a better video this time, you know. I got a little bit more experience, and hopefully I'm not gonna be that hangover like I've been last time while I was doing this video. I'm gonna be a little bit more smart about it. And the other thing is, like, I came late for that ABR, you know. I came like a Friday afternoon. So because I kind of go out on that day before, and on a Friday afternoon I realized, oh shit, it's ABR is today, let's go. So yeah, that's how I do things. So yeah, this time I'm gonna plan it better, I promise. So yeah, I hope you all guys well and enjoying the sun. I know probably some of you are still at work, but luckily, or maybe unluckily, I'm working night shift, so you know, there is a big downside to it, but at least I can enjoy a day like this, because I can always get up a little bit earlier and jump on a bike, or you know, and go somewhere and enjoy the weather, you know, while other people have to be at work until 4 o'clock, maybe 5. Oh, the wide one. I can manage. Traffic? What traffic? Losers. No, I'm joking. Not losers. That's a nice looking Ferrari. This is so slow. Oh. Oh. Whoop, whoop. Someone got caught. Let's see what happened. You've been a bad boy. Oh, look at this. Everyone all suddenly going slower. Nice BMW, by the way. Whew. If that police was driving next to me with my exhaust in the way I was driving for a little bit, they would stop me. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this video here, so I hope you like it. I hope my microphone handled it. Yeah, so if you can like this video and subscribe, that would be great. And you know, have a nice day and hope to see you soon. So bye bye.